Did you know that small financial changes made today could completely transform your year? Most people underestimate the power of early action, but starting 2025 with the right money moves could put you miles ahead. In today's exploration, I'll share 7 proven strategies to help you take control of your finances, grow your wealth, and set a strong foundation for the future. Let's analyze what might be holding you back and how to overcome it. Do you ever feel like you are working harder than ever, but still struggling to get ahead financially? You are not alone. Millions of people feel stuck in the same cycle. Paychecks come and go, but the savings never seem to grow. Inflation eats away at what little you manage to save, and unexpected expenses can derail even the best-laid plan. It's frustrating, isn't it? You know you should be doing better, but here is so much information out there that it's hard to figure out where to start. Countless people feel the same way, overwhelmed, uncertain, and even defeated by their finances. But the truth is, you don't need to be a financial genius to turn things around. An acquaintance of mine went from having zero savings to building a $20,000 emergency fund in just 2 years by taking small, consistent steps. These challenges are real, but they're not insurmountable. With the right strategies, you can take back control of your money. The good news? You don't have to figure this out alone or make drastic changes overnight. In today's guide, we'll explore 7 practical, actionable strategies that you can start using today to take control of your finances. From protecting your money against inflation to adopting a millionaire's mindset, these steps are designed to help you build momentum and create lasting habits. You'll learn how to budget smarter, invest wisely, and set yourself up for long-term success. These aren't quick fixes. They're sustainable moves that can transform how you manage money and achieve your goals. Let's break them down step by step so you can start 2025 right. Step number 1. Stop losing money to inflation. Inflation is like a silent thief, gradually eroding the value of your money. If your cash is sitting idle in a standard checking or savings account, you are essentially losing purchasing power every day. The solution? Move your money into high-yield savings accounts or low-risk investments like Treasury inflation-protected securities. These options can help your money grow or at least maintain its value. Immediate action. Research and compare the best choices today. Benefit. Your money won't just sit there, it'll work to preserve its value over time. Step number 2. Maximize free money opportunities. Are you leaving free money on the table? Employer benefits like 401k matches are often overlooked, yet they're one of the easiest ways to grow your wealth. For instance, if your employer matches 50% of your 401k contributions up to a certain limit, you are essentially getting an instant 50% return on your money. Immediate action. Check your employer benefits package and ensure you are maximizing contributions to programs like 401k or commuter benefit. Benefit. You'll boost your savings without any extra effort. It's like giving yourself a raise. Step number 3. Create a budget for 2025. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. By knowing where every dollar goes, you can prioritize what matters most, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a house, or taking a dream vacation. Start by tracking your expenses for the past 3 months to identify patterns. Then, create a budget that balances necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. Immediate action. Download a budgeting app like Mint or EveryDollar and start categorizing your expenses. Benefit. With a clear budget, you'll feel more in control of your money and confident about your financial decision. Step number 4. Review your investment portfolio. Is your portfolio ready for 2025? Market conditions change, and so should your investment strategy. Take time to review your portfolio's diversification, risk levels, and alignment with your long-term goals. For example, if retirement is 20 years away, your portfolio might benefit from a heavier allocation in stocks rather than bonds. Immediate action. Schedule time to review and rebalance your portfolio, either on your own or with a financial advisor. Benefit. You'll minimize risk, maximize returns, and feel secure knowing your investments are working for you. Step number 5. Build an emergency fund. Life happens, whether it's an unexpected car repair, a medical bill, or a sudden job loss. That's why having an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved in an easily accessible account. If that sounds overwhelming, start small. Even $50 a week adds up over time. Immediate action. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account dedicated to emergency. Benefit. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and protects you from financial stress during tough times. Step number 6. Plan for taxes early. Tax season may feel far away, but planning now can save you money and headaches later. Look into deductions, credits, and tax-efficient investments like IRAs or 529 plan. For example, contributing to a traditional IRA not only prepares you for retirement, but also reduces your taxable income for the year. Immediate action. Start tracking deductible expenses and consider consulting a tax professional to optimize your plan. Benefit. You'll save money on taxes while staying ahead of deadline. Step number 7. Adopt a millionaire's mindset. Finally, mindset matters. Wealthy people think differently about money. They focus on long-term goals, embrace delayed gratification, and track their net worth regularly. Adopting this mindset doesn't require a six-figure salary. It starts with simple habits like automating investments, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and celebrating progress toward your financial goal. Immediate action. Start tracking your net worth monthly using a spreadsheet or an app. Benefit. You'll stay motivated as you watch your financial health improve over time. As you can see, these steps aren't about overhauling your life. They're about making intentional choices that lead to meaningful results. Now that you have these strategies, let's talk about why it's so important to act now rather than waiting. Every day you wait is a day your money could be working harder for you. It's easy to delay decisions, telling yourself you'll start tomorrow, next week, or when you feel ready. But the truth is, time is your most powerful ally in building wealth. The earlier you take action, the greater the rewards you'll see down the line. Think about this. If you start investing even a modest amount today, compound growth can multiply your efforts significantly over time. On the other hand, if you keep putting it off, you'll miss out on opportunities that could have transformed your financial future. Remember, this isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a life where money isn't a constant source of stress. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your goals and values. Take that first step today. A brighter financial future is within your reach. You just have to claim it. If these strategies resonated with you, now is the time to take action. Start by implementing just one step from today's video. It could be setting up a high-yield savings account, automating your investments, or simply creating a budget. Small steps lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. Let me know which strategy you'll try first. I'd love to hear from you. The journey to financial freedom begins with one intentional step, and today you have the tools to take that step. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's created through consistent, smart decisions over time. 2025 is a blank canvas, and you have the power to paint a picture of security, abundance, and success. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and make this year your best financial year yet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build a brighter future together.